Unleash the power of CPO Canada, transforming your auto experience. Welcome to CPO Canada, the ultimate destination for automotive repair and maintenance, where your driving experience takes center stage. Today, we're excited to share with you the top 3 reasons why CPO Canada should be your go-to platform for all your automotive needs. 1. CPO Canada is a true consumer advocate. We work tirelessly on behalf of you, the customer, to ensure that you get the best value for your money. Our mission is to lower the cost of driving through preventive maintenance, only recommending what your vehicle truly needs. With CPO Canada, you can trust that your vehicle is in good hands. We collaborate with the industry to make sure you're not overcharged for auto repairs. It's about transparency, trust, and putting you back in control of your automotive journey. 2. Add a like new extended warranty for peace of mind to your restored vehicle. Imagine having the confidence of a like new extended warranty on your used vehicle. When a vehicle goes through the CPO Canada certification process, you can rest easy knowing that your car is hassle-free for years to come. In the event of an unforeseen mechanical problem, our extended warranty has you covered. It's like having a safety net for your vehicle, providing peace of mind and protecting your investment. 3. Renew your vehicle, not replace it. 3. Renewing your vehicle is often more cost-effective than replacing it. CPO Canada can bring your car back to its like-new condition at a nationally approved service center. Not only that, but we offer affordable payment plans, making it a fraction of the cost of purchasing a new vehicle. We save you thousands while giving you peace of mind. Why spend more on a new vehicle when CPO Canada can have your existing one running and looking like new again? It's a smart, economical choice that keeps you on the road without breaking the bank. Contact an approved CPO Canada service center and take back control of your driving experience. CPO Canada is not just a service. It's a commitment to enhancing your driving experience. Join us in revolutionizing the way you approach auto repair and maintenance. Contact us today or browse our marketplace to find a service center closest to you to unlock and experience the full potential of your enhanced vehicle relationship peace of mind with CPO Canada. CPO Canada, empowering your drive every mile.